Hello, today is Saturday. I am at the office. Wanted to record a quick overview and share my own thoughts on a pretty solid topic. I'm talking about iPP350 by Ingenico. I've recently received this device from a partner just to review it, to play with, etc, etc. This device is quite popular device. You can see and meet it everywhere, probably around the globe, at any corner shop. It's kind of a very good and solid device. What I found interesting, and I always thought, what does this device remind me about? And finally I got myself at a position to find this device. This is exactly Nokia 3310. What are similarities between these two very solid devices? Small screen, very small screen. Yeah, the iPP350 has a color screen, but I think it's about 16 colors, maybe a bit more, but it's not like an HD at all. This device is a monochrome device, but what I found very similar is these rubber buttons. Very, very similar. As well, how it made very strong. I would say it's exactly the same material both devices are made from. This Nokia was released in year 2000. This device, Ingenico iPP350, was released in December 2012. Let's say 12 years later, the release of Nokia. But as we told at our past, it's possible to crack nuts by using this Nokia 3310. I think it's possible to do the same with this Ingenico device. What I'm trying to say, if I will switch on my Nokia, it will be able to perform phone calls and do text messages. It's really nice, and the battery is okay, it works pretty well. The same as I believe this iPP350 device is rock solid. It's great device and it works for years. I would say probably some of these devices have been working for almost 10 years and they do this functionality, and it's important, especially for the payment industry. But let's take this Nokia away and move this device here. What I've got as well is a brand new, very modern device supplied by Engenical as well. It's called Move 3500. Let me place both of them next to each other. For me personally, both devices look similar. Definitely it was a huge shift from the old one to the new one in terms of its software, hardware, but both of them look rock solid. I believe both of them works well, and yeah, I think this Move will work for 5-10 years at least as its predecessor. What I love about Engenico is about very big companies. If let's say, if I will show you the BMW I purchased when I was a teenager, this one, you will definitely recognize, yeah, this is BMW. And even if you was born when this model wasn't manufactured anymore, but you definitely will recognize, yes, this is a BMW car, okay? And this kind of a soul of Ingenico brand transferred into new models. That's what I exactly love about companies that last for tens of years. It's really beautiful. I'm really happy to have both devices for my personal review. I would like to dig deeply into technical functionality for the latter. In the next videos you will see my comparisons Ingenico devices, the new one with a modern Android devices. I hope you will love it. Don't hesitate to ask some questions in the comments below, and I will tailor them into my next videos. Okie dokie. See you soon. Bye now.